Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you something like that. This is the wireless car adapter. If you've got already in your car Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, but you need to connect the system with your phone by the cable, this item will give you the freedom. First I will start from unboxing, and then we will check after how many seconds this device will connect with the car system. Then I will lock the car and I will jump again to check if this device will connect straight away with my phone or I will need to do something extra. By the way, this device is quite cheap and very handy. The link to this device from Ottocast you will find on the description below this video. Okay, so that's very small, very simple. All information what you see, mini size, super hardware and plug and play. All right, some other information here, nothing here. All right, let's open it. I will say I received that from Ottocast, but it's without any name. That's your user manual, which is quite long, but trust me, you don't need that. You don't need that because everything is very intuitive. So that's the item itself. Okay, looks like that. That's your adapter if, for example, you don't have the standard USB port in your car, you've got only USB port C, so you have to use this one. I've got the standard one, so I don't need the small one. Okay, so let's connect to the car and see what's happened. Okay, something happened. I'm more than sure now I should check my phone and see if the Bluetooth will catch this items, this device. So we need to find on your phone device which called car2CE4F. Alright, we find it here. The Bluetooth said that we are already connected, but we are not really, I will say. So I have to wait a bit. Okay, let's turn on Wi-Fi. Okay, yeah, we got it. We got it. So we need also the Wi-Fi. Okay, so as you can see, we are already in. Okay. Let's go somewhere. Okay. As you can see, everything works nice and easy. All right. Okay. We can go back to our car system or go back again to our phone. Alright guys, and now I will just go out from the car. I will turn off everything. I will just keep on my Bluetooth on the phone, but the car I will lock from outside. I will jump inside again and we'll see if my phone will connect with this device straight away. Okay, so let's do it. Very easy and very simple. I like it. I really like it. Alright, so now I will disconnect from Apple phone and I will connect with my Android phone. So, and let's see how long I will have to wait. Okay, let's do it. Okay, devices are ready for. Alright, let's find out how long we will be wait for that. And okay, there we go. got some problem with the Android, I don't know why. It's only for connection with the phone. Strange. It's strange. Let's try again. Okay guys, I know where is the problem. My phone is quite old. This is my old phone. It's 6 years old, and the thing is, if you want to use with the Android phone, your phone need to be updated to Android 11, and I'm not sure if my phone has this system. I need to check that. I've got another phone with Android, and hopefully that one will make the job. Let me try to do it. Okay, and let's see what's gonna be happen. Now I have to wait till the system will turn on. Oh, it's here. All right, let's few seconds. All right guys, finally I got it, hopefully. All right. Alright guys, so after a long time, trust me, long time, the connection was actually quick, but I had lots of problem to connect the phone first with the Android Auto in this car, because I never did that before. That's why that was take me long time. So now I will just jump out from the car, and let's see what's gonna be happen when I coming back, if the phone, or actually the system will just find out the phone straight away. Alright, let's see. Yeah, we are in Android Auto, as you can see straight away. So everything is fine, everything works quick as with the iPhone. That's mean if your phone Android Auto and Apple CarPlay and you want to use them without any cable, you can just buy this device and everything will be without any cable, will be work great. So please let me know in the comment below if you are using already this kind of device, or if you want to use them. If you would like to buy this kind of stuff, you can just check the description below this video, or just send me a message, because to be honest with you, I don't need that and I can send you for some good price. Let me know in the comment below, we can do some quick deal. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your four wheels.